what I like to wear most during the hot summer months? Comfortable maxi dresses because they are effortless, they are stylish and make you feel put together in seconds. So today I have got a fresh dresses haul from Myntra where I have picked up 8 pieces. Some of them are absolute staples, some are statement pieces, and of course some are stunners which I can't wait to show you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we have to start strong. And this dress, it's a whole moment. This black beauty from brand Sasferas is giving that effortless elegance. But wait till you see the back because that's where the magic begins. From the front, it's all about clean, classic vibe. Perfect square neckline, pure cotton soft fabric with chiffly detailing, Florence hemline giving it that perfect maxi flow. It's super breezy, super chic. But then boom! The back, absolute showstopper. It has got this cutout detail which adds just the right amount of drama. And this bow detail, oh, it gives that vacation goal. I mean, imagine walking along the beachside resort in this dress. Absolute dream. For the styling, I kept it classy with these golden accessories, these gold hoops, bracelet, some rings, and my acrylic strap heels. Because dress like this deserves accessories which match the vibe. Will you wear this dress for your holiday or for a fancy dinner? Let me know. Now this one, it is special because it is from brand Tavi, which I am trying for the first time. And honestly, I am already impressed. Look at this beautiful indigo printed dress, which is effortless and stylish and just screaming the summer vibe. It's made of pure cotton fabric, which means it's breathable, comfy, and easy to wear all day. It has this flattering V neckline and tiered design, which gives it that fit and flare shape. It's so flowy, fun, and so pretty. It has this beautiful pink embroidery here, which shows design sophistication. And since it's sleeveless, it's perfect for summer season. To elevate the soft summer dress like this, I have paired it with some statement accessories like these silver Korean studs, silver bracelets, some rings. To keep the look clean and sleek, I have paired it with my silver thong style sandals and of course my these beautiful sunglasses because dresses like this deserve that cool girl vibe. I love how easy it is to just throw on. No fuss, just style. What do you guys think? Should I try more from brand Tavi? Let me know. This haul is extra special not only because I am trying so many beautiful dresses, but because I am trying so many new brands in this haul. So next up is this beautiful floral printed A-line dress from Dora Dori. And honestly, this brand surprised me in best way. The first thing that caught my eye was this soothing green color. It's so fresh, so elegant, and perfect for that soft put together look. It's made in pure cotton fabric, which means it's light and breathable with this flattering V neckline, and it has this threadwork detail all over it, which adds that right amount of design detail. But you know what sold me on this dress? Yes, it has two front pockets, and we all know how much we love a good pocket movement. Functional and stylish. I am here for it. I wanted to keep this look clean and chic, so I have paired it with minimal accessories. These silver hoops with pearl detail. Because this dress has structure to it, to match that vibe, I have paired it with my white chunky block heels, which is not only adding the height to my look, but adding that extra polish to it. This dress is really versatile. You can wear it casually or dress it up, or even you can wear it in the office. Just throw on a structured bag, maybe a watch, and you are good to go. What do you guys think about this dress? Should I try more from Dora Dori? Let me know. You know that one dress that just scream vacation? Yeah, this is that dress. This tropical printed beauty is from Freehand by Indian Garage Co., giving that major holiday vibe, and I am here for it. It is made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is light, breathable, and perfect for hot summer days. It has this beautiful A-line silhouette, which gives that perfect flow to this dress, and V neckline keeps it flattering. And it has this flutter sleeves, which adds the right amount of softness to this dress. But the real highlight is this cutout detail at the waist, which is subtle yet adds that fun and playful element to this dress. Just the right amount of skin, not being too much. Love it. For the accessories, I went with something special. I have paired it with this yellow flower shaped studs, which I have picked up from Thailand years ago. And this green bracelet, they add the perfect pop of color. To keep the look sleek and clean, I have paired it with acrylic strap heels, because when dress is so much fun, you don't need much else. This dress is for tropical getaway or beach brunch, or when you want to feel like you are on vacation even if you are not. What do you guys think? Do you wear this dress? Let me know in the comments. When we are discussing so many good things about this beautiful dress, I wanted to highlight one thing, that its V neckline is too big for me. I did some adjustment and put a pin here at the back. So if you are someone like me who do not wear very deep V neckline, please consider this point. Okay, Tavi is back with another beauty, and this one, it's all about effortless elegance. This is a simple pure cotton sleeveless maxi dress, but trust me, details makes it extra special. This dress has classic round neckline with tie-up back for that perfect touch of charm. But my favorite part is Sanganeri folk self-design at the hem. It's subtle yet adds that such a beautiful indie vibe to this dress. But wait, it gets even better. This dress comes with a scarf. Not just any scarf, but the beautiful indie printed one with tassel details. I love tassel movement. Of course, I had to bring out these blue tassel earrings to match with the scarf details. They add just the right pop of color to otherwise soft and soothing white of this dress. For the footwear, my acrylic strap heels, because they keep the look sleek and effortless. This dress is perfect for casual outing or catching up with friends, or for many get-togethers where you want to look stylish without trying too hard. What do you guys think? Would you wear this scarf differently? Let me know in the comments. Next up, we have something chic, structured, and so effortless. This shirt style striped maxi dress from brand Chemistry is giving boss vibes, but in most comfortable way possible. This is a sleeveless dress with mandarin collar, which instantly makes it look polished and elegant. It has this beautiful gold buttons. It comes with a fabric belt which cinches at your waist and give that structured yet relaxed vibe. And its vertical stripes or diagonal stripes are super flattering. For a slightly formal touch, I went ahead with these brown studs, which gives it a sharp, stylish look. For the footwear, I paired it with my nude loafers, because when it comes to office wear styling, comfort is the key. What do you think? Would you wear this to office or style it differently? Let me know in the comments. So here again, I am trying something new. This one is from brand Glitches from Myntra Forward. And let me tell you, this dress has cool girl energy. This is striped midi wrapped dress with cuffed sleeves, which gives it a sharp yet effortless vibe. This is the only dress in this haul which is made of polyester fabric, but I love this style so much, so I had to include this. This dress has this wrap detail with the belt here, which adds to the cool girl energy of this dress. Perfect for brunch dates, weekend hangs, and just strolling around the city looking effortlessly put together. To keep the vibe casual yet stylish, I have paired it with white sneakers from the west side because nothing can beat the comfort of good sneakers. For the jewelry, I kept it minimal with these silver small hoops because dress does all the talking. Are you guys into wrap dresses? Do you like this style or you prefer more structured look? Let me know in the comments. This haul is all about firsts. This time I am trying this skirt and top cord set which I haven't worn in a long time. This one is from brand Vishuddh. This is green and white printed dress made in rayon fabric which is very comfortable to wear in summer season. It has shirt style top and A-line skirt. The top has 3/4 sleeves, button closure, and this tie-up detail at the front which adds the subtle peplum effect which is so flattering for this cord set. And skirt, it has elasticated waistband which is super comfy and stylish. This is giving chic yet relaxed vibe. It is perfect for a day out with friends or for a shopping spree when you want to be comfortable and look stylish. I kept the accessories simple with these small silver hoops and my chunky white heels to keep the look clean and comfy. What do you guys think about this cord set? Should I try more like these styles? Tell me in the comments. If you find this content useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.